Now we already constructed a website. We constructed a website. Footer has been given. Social media links also have been given. We have been checked the preview also, each and everything. Now it is time to share and publish the your website. Sharing is nothing but sharing with your teammates. Like for example, here we can share with the teammates. Okay, similarly what sharing you have been learned so far, same thing here also we can add his Gmail account and we can share with them. In the sense, they can also check the website, they can also edit, as well as they can also modify the whatever the tools available. In the sense, what they feel, they can also modify the website as per their requirement. Okay, that is about a sharing. Then one more thing it comes, that is nothing but a setting. Okay, we have to go to setting, navigation. In the sense, top, this one, this bar is nothing but a navigation bar. Okay, it should be on a top, or how it should be. Okay, so top or side. Side is nothing but on left hand side, three lines are there. If you say top, it will be there on a top of the your web page. And color, if you like to be a transparent or any other color you would like to give, black or white. Okay, what type of the color you would like to give it to a on a top. Then it comes to a brand image. Brand image, we already added a logo here. We already added a logo. We can give the alternative text. Then if logo is not been loaded, then what else to be shown? Okay, alternative text. And theme color, we already selected a theme color. Okay, and Pavicon. Pavicon is nothing but a, here, instead of like this, okay, instead of like this, you can insert a logo also. Here also you can get a logo. How it will be possible? We have to go to select. We'll select a logo. Okay, Pavicon. Then it comes to a viewers tool. In the sense, these two should be turned on for the viewers tool. Custom URL, you will be going to learn in a domain. We have to select a, if you have a domain, if you own your own domain, then you can use that one. Analytics also, we'll going to learn how to add to analytics, this one. And announcement banner. Announcement banner is nothing but something new come up with in your company. Then you can announce here on a top of the section. You can say show banner. Okay, color you can select for the announcement. For example, we select a in a red color. And announcement we say, just I am saying that welcome, like this I am giving, welcome to new website. You can give any offers or any of the things you can announce here. And button label, one button will be created. Okay, that particular button label, for example, we say that buy now, or we can say that button, uh, like a no more. Then you can create a link to which particular product or which particular page you would like to direct. Then you can say open in a new tab. Okay, that particular page will be open in a new tab, and all pages it will be displayed. These settings you can do each and every time. This banner will be shown, like how it will be shown, like this it will be shown. Someone, if they click on this no more, one more page will be open, and that page will be loaded with the your portfolio. Okay, like this it will be the announcement we can do. Okay, this is about a setting of the announcement. Then it comes to here more options. We can check the history, you can duplicate the entire website. Okay, here report a problem, these are things you can also take. Then it comes to a time to publish. Publish is nothing but, if once you have been set everything, you think is nothing to be changed and nothing changes are there, Okay, everything is perfect. Now it is time to publish. Once you have been click on here publish, it will show that what would be the your URL, that is nothing but Beta Academy. Okay, it will show like this: sites.google.com view Beta Academy. Like this it will be there. In the sense, what will happen whenever someone like to search your website, they has to follow this particular web address. Directly they will not be able to type betaacademy.com. They has to go with a Google, then we have to direct our page. Okay, to avoid that one, we will be buying a, okay, we can view. Once that is done, we can see here, we can go, we can say here unpublish. If you don't want to publish, you can say unpublish, or we can say view published site. How it will be look, it will be look like this. Okay, final website. Okay, if you click on no more here, the announcement banner and home page. Okay, about us. Okay, products. Okay, if you click here, it will direct contact us. Okay, everything is correct. Okay, they can go to maps and they can search your address. Okay, social media links, everything is perfect. Okay, this is about how it will look. And again here settings, like a publishing settings is there. In the sense, you can change the web address also, we can change. Okay, but like this we can, it is not applicable. Like this you can change the settings also, you can change the name of your web address also, you can change. Like this we can change the everything. This is about how can we uh, construct one website. Okay, construct one simple website in a Google site. Okay, and managing them. Okay, and how can we publish very easy in a single moment of time, we have it published. Okay, then if you like to copy the link, for example this particular link, if you like to copy, you can copy that particular link. Okay, copy link, and you can share with your friends or your colleagues, anyone you can share. They can also visit your uh, site. Okay, in setting, what I have been said here, custom URL. Custom URL is nothing but your domain.com. Here you can see domain is not starting with the your name of the company here. Okay, to change it to the name of the company, it has to start with the name of the company. For that we need to buy a domains. That one we will be learning in a next videos, next section of the videos. That is nothing but Google domains videos are there, you can refer them. How can we purchase a domain, and we can use that domain here, so that your entire website will be on live. Okay, this is all about how can we go with the uh, Google site to construct a uh, website, and to manage them effectively. Whatever the you have website you have been constructed, it will be there in your Google Drive. Okay, it will be there in your Google Drive. Here it is there here. Okay, this is nothing but your website only. Okay, you can edit anytime, you can edit anytime your website. Okay, you can edit anytime, and you can republish again. Okay, you are doing any editing, you can say publish again, republish again. And this is nothing but a favicon. Okay, your logo will be shown here, that is nothing but a favicon. What in settings, what we have been selected as a favicon, right? That is nothing but a logo has been shown here. When you are loading a website, you will not be able to recognize, you will easily able to recognize by looking a logo also. Okay, this is about how can we construct a Google site within a hour by using a Google sites, very easily drop and drag. Before that we have to construct in any of the in docs or Microsoft Word. You just construct about a data which one you would like to load into a website. All the images, everything should be ready. Then you start constructing a site.